G'day, it's Jay and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this sleek chiffon. To start off this style, I'm just doing it on straight hair. I'm just grabbing small sections of hair, giving it a little bit of a tease, adding some dry shampoo as your hair was a little bit more oily than usual, and then adding a little bit of hairspray. So I like to use the Volume Up. You just want to continue this all around the crown. To help the crown look even across all sides, I like to tease in the direction of the hair. So from here on the right, I'm teasing it with pulling the hair a section to the right, giving it a tease and pulling it into the middle. Instead of going straight down, this is going to help have a smooth look around. Then you want to just smooth out the hair. So here I'm using a teasing brush and I'm just getting away any flyaways. Because their hair is a bit more oily, the flyaways are pretty contained, but if you've got someone with a lot drier hair or has been dyed a few times, using something like a Tame Wild or an oil will be a great way to control the frizz. Once you've gotten the hair all smooth, I'm just grabbing little sections and pulling it out, just to add a little bit of texture and a little bit of volume, but not too much as we're still wanting that sleek look. Once you're happy with the texture, grab the hair from the outside and bring towards the middle. So that's grabbing the left section and bringing it in towards the middle and the right section. This is going to help it have a lot more smoother look at the bottom compared to just twisting it in one direction. Once the hair is in place, just grab a small elastic and tie the hair up. Then we're going to be grabbing some hair padding. If you're not familiar with how to make hair padding, I have a full separate video on that. It only takes a minute, but I recommend watching that beforehand. Pin the padding in place, making sure that the padding is not too long, so you're wanting around 1 inch left of hair that isn't covered with padding. To contain the ends, I like to hair tie the bottom of the hair and then roll it up towards the head. Now you just want to pin the bun in place. So I like to fan the bun out so that it's covering those outer edges and then just pin that hair to stay in place. Once you're happy with how the hair sits, give it a good strong hairspray. And this is the end style, an elegant, sleek chiffon. Hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in my next one.